All right, Bogota, it's time to go. Let me take one last look of what I used to do just about every morning. When I get up, come out on this deck or this balcony, look at the street, look at the mountains. Look at that. I like that. It's kind of like you see the mountain and the backdrop of the street. Just, I like it. So anyway, like that. Instead of going to another country, I'm gonna go to another city, Medellin, Colombia. This will probably be the first time in about, I don't know, 3-4 months, well actually about a year, that I actually gonna be somewhere where the temperature's over 70 degrees. As you know, I went from DC to Mexico City. Mexico City will hover around 71, 72, 68, 69. Then I went to Quito, hover around 60, 63, 65, some days, no, never 70, 66, something like that. And now in Bogota, temperature right around, I don't know, 58, 59, 62 max. It's been chilly, so I haven't worn short sleeve shirts outside in a long time. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm gonna take you with me on my flight to Medellin. See you in the Uber. We had a trip in Medellin. This is kind of out of my back window. It's a small place, but I love it. Look at this. Looking over the little small neighborhood. But just, I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it is, it's great. So, all right, I'm here for a few weeks, so I'll be sharing more stuff soon. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Enjoy that view. Look at that. Gorgeous. Welcome to Medellin.